Good Wednesday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Low pressure in the Gulf of Alaska, just one of many disturbances moving northward tonight, including Hurricane Oso, eventually heading toward south and eastern Alaska. More on that in just a minute. A 980 millibar low that's currently in the Gulf is not associated with Oso, though moisture is streaming northward. That wave of weather currently in the Gulf is affecting southern parts of southeast with pockets of heavier rainfall moving into places like KAKM and Heidelberg. We'll continue to see rain moving through south central Alaska this afternoon and over Kodiak Island as winds begin to strengthen ahead of storm warnings in effect for parts of the Barren Islands and into Shelikof Strait as we move into tonight. In the Bering Sea, a 985 millibar low is sitting at across the central and western Bering. That's dropping southward and filling in. It will weaken a little bit more tonight to 992 millibars. Pockets of rain mixed with snow are possible around the Kotzebue Sound region, but most of the interior will be fairly dry with plenty of cloud cover south of the Brooks Range to the Alaska Range. South of the Alaska Range and into southwestern Alaska, a much better likelihood that you'll actually see some rain falling tonight and into tomorrow. North of the Brooks Range, high pressure should continue to clear out a lot of the precipitation chances. Look for a fairly dry but cool evening and overnight period. By Thursday, low pressure south of Kodiak Island will drop to 968 millibars. That's going to keep the winds going around the Barrens and across the north and western Gulf, including Shelikof Strait and parts of Cook Inlet. Look for pockets of moderate to occasionally heavy rain, but the strong wind gusts will probably be the most predominant part of weather that you notice. Across the southeastern part of Alaska and the Panhandle, look for periods of rain and wind there as another disturbance works its way northward. Most conditions will be dry across the interior with pockets of fog in the middle Tanana Valley in the morning. Showers, light rain, and possibly some stronger winds develop across the central and western chain and south and western Alaska. The west coast will be breezy, but mostly dry north of the Seward Peninsula. But a much stronger wave of weather will make its way into southern parts of southeast by the morning hours. Remnants of Hurricane Oho will continue working northward, meaning strong gusty winds over 60 miles an hour are possible from Ketchikan to Heidelberg, as well as areas of heavy rainfall and strong marine winds and high seas in the marine areas near southeastern Alaska as we head through Friday and possibly into Saturday. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder. Find us online